Hey everyone, today I have received Heaven Panty, and ordered this through Mary Catherine Loves Cats because it was $1.99. Typically it will be $4.99 per month, and I believe you pay 6 months at a time, so I'm expecting maybe around the first it'll be $30-something, and then every month I will receive a new panty. If you have not checked out Mary Catherine Loves Cats, go ahead and do that. You'll enjoy her channel. She does lots of unboxings as well, and I will go ahead and leave a link below. I will also leave a link to Heaven Panty, although I don't know what discount that they have given me to give to you yet, but I will look into that as well and pin that in the comments as well. So they included a measuring tape, so that's always really nice to have. I'll definitely get some use out of that. Now I'm excited to see which pair of underwear they have sent me this month. So it says flower green comfy and seamless tangas. Well, it can only go up from here. I like my butt cheeks covered. But I definitely like a variety of colors, so I think these are pretty. Just not sure if I will be able to wear them. They certainly look very light and airy though, and retail for $15. So if I get a pair of underwear that I do actually get use out of, for the $4.99 per month, a nice variety of underwear, I'll be happy. And they certainly can be gifted. I'm not sure who yet, but someone might really like a tanga. It is a very pretty pattern. All right, so this is the back side. You can see it's seamless and doesn't cover much. So yeah, I'm going to fold these up and put them aside, and I do have a glossy box to open. So for this glossy box, I had glossy credits, and it said this box was only $12. So I went ahead and used my $10 and something in credits, but they do charge you shipping, so it did come to $16. Glossy box is typically $21 per month, but if you say that you're going to subscribe for 12 months, they charge you monthly, and it can be anywhere from $16 to $18, depending on what the deal was when you signed up. So this box here is supposed to have 5 items, and I believe 1 full size, as the normal box does. I think this is actually the box from February. It looks like a theme of sing, dance, love, and repeat. And this is a glimpse of the items that could be in my box. There are 5 items listed here. The Avant, cool, I hope I get that. And the moisturizing cream looks like a deluxe sample, some shampoo and conditioner samples, shimmer powder, collagen mask. Oh, that's cool. I wonder if that's a full package. All right, let's see what's inside this box. This is the Avant Skincare Velvet Perfecting Rose Lip Sugar Scrub. You buff away dead skin cells to reveal soft, fresh, and youthful lips with this sugar scrub filled with anti-inflammatory ingredients and antioxidants, perfect for creating a smooth canvas for your lips. Apply to lips and fingertips and massage. Leave on lips for 1 to 2 minutes. Then pat dry with a towel. Follow with a lip balm, and the manufacturer retail is $71 on this little product. Oh God, that company is amazing. All right, so the next one is the Collagen Eye Mask. Gently firm and smooth your under eyes with this hydrogel eye patch containing collagen extract for a brighter and more youthful appearance. After cleansing, apply 1 patch under each eye, 10 to 15 minutes. This is a retail of $4. It's actually 1 patch in this package, and it's made by Lapcos, Lapcos. So yeah, sounds like a nice one. So the next is a deluxe mini made by Natura Patawa Strengthening Shampoo and Conditioner. So this rich repairing shampoo and conditioner is formulated with Patawa, P-A-T-A-U-A, it says, oil from Brazil to strengthen, protect, and treat dry, damaged, and unruly hair. Apply shampoo to wet hair and massage evenly throughout. After rinsing, apply conditioner, concentrating on the ends The mini deluxe set is a 30 milliliter, $8. The full size actually runs a 300 milliliter for $47. The next is a deluxe mini as well, made by sys.skincare. It's a moisturizing cream. Prickly pear extract in this cream is the perfect addition to your daily skincare regimen. It'll leave your skin feeling smooth and super hydrated. You apply evenly all over your face after cleansing in the morning and evening. The deluxe mini is $19.99. A full size for 50 milliliters is $39.99. All right, so the last one is a full size, made by Bella Pierre. It's a shimmer powder. Wow, coral reef, or redness. Illuminate your best features with this long-lasting, vibrant powder without smears, creases, or fading. Perfect as eyeshadow, highlighter, lip color, or more. Whether you use it as an eyeshadow, highlighter, lip color, or blush, remember to always use a primer first. Manufacturer retail is $15. Nothing else in the box. So what do you think? Great box, lousy box, so-so? Let me know in your comments below, and I'll see you in my next video.